We've just wrapped up our introduction to timers and Siemens PLCs. Now let's kick off a brand new chapter, counters. And what better way to start than with the CTU, or count up counter? Imagine you're tracking how many boxes pass by a photoelectric sensor on a conveyor belt. Every time a box is detected, the CTU counter increases the count by 1. Here's how it works. The CU input receives a signal pulse from the photoelectric sensor, and each rising edge increments the current count, known as CV. The PV is your preset or the target count. When CV reaches PV, the Q output turns on, allowing you to trigger an action, like stopping the conveyor, after a set number of boxes. To reset the counter, just send a signal to the reset input. This brings the CV back to 0 and turns off the Q output. And that's how the CTU counter works in Siemens PLCs. Want more automation tutorials? Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more.